How to put parental controls on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, it will lead you to your profile. Now simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and it will lead you to settings and activity. Now scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of Family Center under for families. Tap on it. As you tap on the Family Center, tap on Get Started, and here you can select or invite a teen. So you can select any of the profiles or you can just search on the search bar. Now since I already have this person or the teen over here, I'm going to select on one of these accounts and then tap on Invite. So as you tap on invite, it will send the invitations link to the particular person that you'd want to supervise or that you'd want to have parental controls on. And as soon as the other person accepts it, then you'll be able to have that control on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.